Hello, let us try to uh, find out absolute bending moment at this section where it occurs. So हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट कवर किया है, सेकंड पार्ट में एब्सोल्यूट के लिए हम लोग काम करेंगे। तो आप यहाँ देखो कि ये हमारा पॉइंट है और यहाँ पर ये हॉरिजॉन्टल थ्रस्ट है और एक हॉरिजॉन्टल थ्रस्ट यहाँ पर भी आपका है और ये पॉइंट आपका बी भी है और ये आपका बी ए है और सपोज करिए कि ये इसका एच है और हम इस डी पॉइंट पे फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं और डी पॉइंट आपका है जो एक्स डिस्टेंस पर आपका लाई कर रहा है। तो केस वन जब होगा हमारा मैक्सिमम केस वन मैक्सिमम absolute moment, bending moment, you can say. Absolute moment तब होगा जब हमारा D पॉइंट पर एक D यूनिट लोड लाइज, जब यूनिट लोड X पे लाई करेगा तो BA क्या हो जाएगा, BA इक्वल टू L माइनस एक्स अपॉन एल और ये हो जाएगा आपका x बाई एल और ये पॉइंट आपका हिंज है, दिस इज योर हिंज। तो हम यहाँ h फाइंड आउट करना चाहेंगे इस पोजीशन में। तो ये आपका ये पॉइंट है, दिस इज योर b, दिस इज योर c। सो टेकिंग मोमेंट लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड, टेक मोमेंट अबाउट c, तो क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज बी बी इंटू एल बाई टू, दिस इज एल बाई टू एंड दिस इज बी बी एल बाई टू इन दिस वे एंड दिस इज माइनस एच इंटू वाई इक्वल टू 0। सो एच इक्वल्स टू बी बी इंटू एल बाई टू डिवाइडेड बाई एच। बी बी इज नथिंग एक्स बाई एल इंटू एल बाई टू डिवाइडेड बाई एच। So this is your x upon 2h. X upon 2. This is your h in this condition. So what will be the moment over here? 8 point D. Moment will be moment mx equals to ba into x left hand side minus h into y. H into y. So BA is equal to L minus x upon L into x minus H is equal to your x upon 2h into y equals to your x L minus x divided by L square into 4h. So this will be your moment mx for unit load. For unit load. So for unit load, this is ordinate. This is a moment, you can say. If you multiply by W, then you will find the maximum load, maximum bending moment. So let us simplify it. This is 2h. This is again 2. So this will be Lx minus x square. Though multiply by divided by L minus x square L minus x into 2 divided by L square. You take L square common, L square common and multiply by L. So this will be L square x minus x square L or minus 2x square L minus 2x square L minus 2x square L minus 2x cube minus plus 2x cube. So this is your what? So simplify it. Let us simplify. Now simplify it. अब इसको देख लीजिए. Let us simplify at this point. This is your L x square L s square L. So this is your L square x minus 3x square L plus 2x cube divided by L square. This is your moment for unit load. This is moment for unit load. Let us find out the maximum moment. Absolute maximum moment will be maximum moment absolute will be W divided by L square. You multiply simply x L square minus 3x square L plus 2x cube. This is your moment. This is moment. So maximum value you will get from this. What is the, let us find out the value of mx. Dmx by dx, differentiate. So this will be W upon L square within bracket L square minus 6xl plus 6x square equals to 0. Put 0. So this figure will come in 0. L square minus 6xl plus 6x square equal to 0. So let us simplify. 6x square minus 6xl plus L square equals to 0. Simplify it, divide by 6x square minus xl plus L square upon 6 equals to 0. So you can find out by this second degree equations. Sri Shankaracharya. This is your minus b mean minus plus L plus minus root over L square minus 4 into L square by 6 divided by 2. So this will be your L by 2 minus root over 3L square, 2 by 3rd, 3L square minus L square, this is L square, 3 minus 2 L square upon 6. This is upon 6. 6 L square minus 4L square, 2L square. So this will be L square upon 3. L square upon 3. L square upon 3. 2 by 3rd, 3rd minus 2L square by 3. So this will be your L by 2 minus L square upon 3. So more you simplify it. You simplify x equals to will be L by 2 minus L upon L by, so no, this is not L by 2, this is whole L by 2, this is 2, this is 2. So this is L by 2, L upon root over 12. This is your value, L by 2 minus L by root over 2. This L plus will not be there because this cannot be more than 20. So this value will be 20 upon 2 minus 20 upon root over 12, which is we are going to calculate. This will be 10 minus 20 divided by root over 12. This is your 4.226. 4.226. This is 4.226. This x is 4.2. So you can find out the maximum moment with the help of this formula. So let us find out the maximum moment in this formula. M max absolute equals to W means 60 upon L means 20 square, and you put the value x is equal to 4.26 into 20 square minus 3 into 4.226 into 20 plus 2 into 4.226 cube divided by this. This is value of maximum moment. We can calculate it. So this will be your 44.226 multiplied by 400 minus 3 into 4.226 into 20 plus 2 into 4.226 to the power 3 gives out error. So this is error. So 4.226 into 400 minus 3 into 4.226 into 20 plus 2 into 4.226 into 4.226 into 4.226 gives out itna into 60 divided by 4. This is 238 point. This is coming 238.16. This is 238.17 kilonewton meter. This is your maximum moment. So you can check it, recheck, calculate, and you can find out the maximum value in this way. So next is there for the minimum moment you have to calculate. How you will calculate? कैसे calculate करेंगे? So in this position, the unit load will lie 8 crown. 8 crown will get the minimum moment. So the load is 8 one unit is here. So what will be the reactions? So for this you can have in this way. This is what you call, this is unit load. So reaction will be 1 by 2. Reaction will be 1 by 2, half. And this is your thrust H. This is your hinge point. This is your X distance. We have to find out when the load is at C. This is A, this is your B, and this is your D point. So now let us find out the H. Taking moment right hand side, we have, that is 1 by 2 into, this is L by 2 into L by 2 minus H into small h into 0. So H equals to L by 4 small h. L by 4 small h. Now this is your H. So BA, you find out the moment here. The M equals to that is half into X minus H into Y. H equal to L by 4H. So this is X by 2 minus L by 4H multiplied by X, L minus X upon L square into 4H. This is your what you find. So 4H will cancel. You will find X by 2 minus X, L minus X square divided by L. This L square, so this is L. Here X, L minus X square. So multiply by XL. So this will be XL minus 2XL. So 2XL minus 2 minus will be plus minus H by XL minus X square, X minus plus 2X square minus 2X square. This will be XL minus 2XL plus X square divided by 2L. So this will be your 2X square minus XL upon 2L. This is moment. This is negative moment. This is negative HY. So we can have this X by 2 at this time. So this will be 2X square minus XL upon 2L. So for unit, if you multiply by W, then you will get the moment. So dm by dx equals to your 4x minus L equal to 0, and x equals to L by 4. L by 4 means 20 by 4, that is 5. So the moment will be this one. Moment equals to W means 60 by 2L, 2 into 20, within bracket 2x square, 2 into L by 4 a whole square minus L by 4 into L. This will be your 60 upon 40 within bracket 2 L square upon 16 minus L square upon 4. So this will be 16 minus 2L square minus 2L square into 6 by 4. This will be your value. So this you can put 2 into 2, 3 into 8. This will be minus 3 into 8 into L square. L square we have put L square. So this is minus 3 by 8 multiplied by 400. तो 8 40 something 15. This is minus 150. So in this way you can find out always the absolute values of the moment by using this principle. So I think you could have understood, understood, and will follow this policy. And for you can, if it is asked in examination, you can solve it smoothly. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.